Is it a conflict of interest, and is it unethical if my divorce attorney hugged my husband in court? It's a fair question. I guess other people might ask that question. The answer is not likely. Black's Law Dictionary defines conflict of interest as a real or seeming incompatibility between the interests of two of a lawyer's clients such that the lawyer is disqualified from representing both clients if the dual representation adversely affects either client or if the clients do not consent. Conflict of interest can also include, in the legal representation context, actions of one's attorney that exploit the attorney-client relationship for the lawyer's personal benefit or to the client's detriment. So unless one could somehow show that your attorney merely hugging your husband in court somehow harms your case or benefits your attorney at your expense, I don't see how your attorney hugging your spouse would be a conflict of interest. It may be awkward or in bad taste under some circumstances, but a conflict of interest? Not likely. If the hug raises suspicions as to whether there is a relationship between your husband and your attorney that is itself a conflict of interest, that would not mean that the hug itself is an act constituting a conflict of interest. Each state is different in the way it sets its code of attorney ethics, but the American Bar Association has a model code that many states either adopt or adapt. The three main rules governing conflicts of interest from the ABA Model Rules of Professional Conduct are Rule 1.7, titled Conflict of Interest, Current Clients, Rule 1.8, Current Clients, Specific Rules, and Rule 1.10, Imputation of Conflicts of Interest, General Rule.